Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get iOS update. If the update is not showing on your settings, so how to fix, first of all, iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that strong Wi-Fi connection you have turned off this toggle, and after a few minutes you have turned on, and after that go back, scroll it down, then tap on journal. From here then tap on date and time. You make sure that turn on this toggle, set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that go back, scroll it down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the method doesn't work, then go back, then tap on Safari app. From here you search for this beta profile. From here you scroll it down. You as can see new update iOS 17. From here you easily install iOS 17. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.